Some days you have good days, other days you have a bad day. Today is a bad day. What you see here is an iPhone 8 Plus, which I thought I disconnected the battery on this one when I swapped the screen, and I believe I had forgotten to. Checking it out, I've disconnected the Wi-Fi antenna at the very bottom of the row of flex cables, and now all I'm getting greeted by is this when I first start the screen. It does show up in a couple other different forms. Looking out there, I haven't really found any information regarding this kind of problem, which is not good for me. But also when I turn it off and on again, I do get different bars. A PC doesn't detect the phone. It also vibrates 3 times once I've plugged power into the phone or connected it up to the computer. But that's all I'm really getting with it. So, yeah, anyone out there have any suggestions for this? It reminds me of the older iPhone 5, 5S long screw damage, where you get nothing but a red screen. But yeah, this one's got me quite a bit confused, so any advice would be greatly appreciated. See ya.